Okay, so let's jump right into the video, right in this tutorial without wasting a second. Also, if this video helped you out, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do here, press on your keyboard Windows logo key plus R, and here write percentage local app data, percentage local app data percentage, okay. And here what you have to do is to go to app data, click on local, and then Fortnite game, saved. And here click on config, Fortnite, saved, config, and Windows client, and here open this file. But also right click on this file, and here if it's selected, if it is checked, if read only is checked, please uncheck and apply and okay. And then go back here in this file, and here scroll all the way down, and here instead of true please write false and save. Now let's go back, Windows, crash, report client, delete these files. Please open Epic Games, select settings, scroll all the way down. Once you've done that, please check click on expand, and here check additional command line arguments. Here please type Windows logo key plus S, and here please write device manager. Display adapters, right click, update, search automatically for drivers, and also here GeForce experience, and here please select drivers and click on check for drivers. As you can see, as of right now I have a driver available to download, so please download driver, the latest driver. Also, to prevent crashes if you're using Windows 10, in the search bar please write background apps, and here if it's turned on please turn it off. And that's pretty much this video. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know if in the comment section if this video helped you out. If it didn't, I'll look for other ways to fix this problem. Don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you out, and like this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.